Yo, what's up mga kakusina, kabudgetarian, and all Halo-Halo lovers out there? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 Pinoy Halo-Halo hacks that are safe, cheap, and super easy to make. Pangbahay pero pang-viral ang lasa. If you love Halo-Halo, but don't want to pay 120 to 200 pesos per cup, these hacks will give you the full summer vibe without breaking your budget. Ready? Let's go! For our first hack, the ice candy Halo-Halo base. Instead of using pricey crushed ice and condensed milk, we're gonna use ice candy. Why does this work? Well, it's already sweetened, it's more flavorful, and it's so much cheaper at just 5 to 10 pesos each. All you need are a few flavors like ube, maize, and buko ice candy, some tap water, and extra ice. Here's what you do. First, crush 2 to 3 ice candies for an instant, flavored ice base. Then, add a little fresh milk or evaporated milk to make it creamy. For toppings, let's keep it budget-friendly. Add some sliced banana, gulliman, and maybe some corn. Mix it all up and boom, instant Halo-Halo. Guys, this is solid. It tastes just like the classic street-style Halo-Halo but way creamier. It's a game changer. Next up, hack number 2, the 30 peso street store toppings combo. And a cup of sweet corn for 10 pesos as well. Here is a hack tip for you. It's often cheaper to buy these cooked toppings than to cook them yourself. Mahal ang kuryente, besh. For the steps, just chop up the banana cue, mix it with the gulaman and corn, then add your ice, milk, and a bit of sugar. If you need to, you can even shave the ice using a simple grater. In the result, legit, pangbahay, pero pang SM ang vibes. It's that easy to get a delicious Halo-Halo without all the hassle. Now for hack number 3, the 3-ingredient DIY leche flan. If you want your Halo-Halo to feel a little more social, you absolutely need leche flan on top. But we are not going to spend 150 pesos for a whole llanera. Instead, we'll make our own with just 3 simple ingredients. 2 eggs, half a cup of condensed milk, and half a cup of evaporated milk. Just mix all 3 ingredients together in a bowl. Then, pour the mixture into a microwave-safe container and pop it in the microwave for about 4 to 5 minutes. Yes, the microwave totally works. A quick safety reminder. Please make sure you're using microwave-safe containers to avoid any accidents. Once it's cooked, let it cool down, slice it up, and add it to your Halo-Halo. This simple step makes your homemade Halo-Halo feel incredibly luxurious. Moving on to hack number 4, no ice crusher? No problem. If you don't own an ice crusher, don't worry about it. Just use a regular cheese grater to get finely shaved ice. It takes a bit of effort, but it works. Second, the towel and rolling pin method. Put your ice cubes inside a clean towel, wrap it up, and smash away with a rolling pin. This gives you a nice, medium-coarse texture. And third, the blender pulse hack. If you have a blender, use short 1-second pulses. This crushes the ice without over-blending it into a smoothie. So which one is the winner? For me, it's the towel and rolling pin method. It gives you great texture and, best of all, no electricity needed. Then, pour this glorious, creamy drizzle over your ice. Add your favorite toppings from the previous hacks and get ready for a taste explosion. Wow. This tastes just like the Jollibee Halo-Halo, but it's super budget-friendly. It's the perfect way to level up your homemade dessert. And that's it, mga kabudget. I hope you enjoyed our top 5 Pinoy Halo-Halo hacks that are safe and affordable. Comment below and let me know which hack you're going to try first. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want more budget-friendly food hacks, just let me know in the comments. Stay safe, stay tipid, and stay masarap. Bye.